We're at Ferrositi in Cheltenham. Now these guys are a great example of investment, inspiration, relationships. Bob, tell me about this young company, please.
Well, it is a very young company, but it's also very dynamic. Totally inspired by my MD, Mr. Nick Furno. At the age of 22, had the concept and ideas to be able to develop a new company and find that niche in the marketplace.
Now, he's had that inspiration, that desire, and it's been very successful, because I understand you won an award this year.
Yes, we did. We won the Young Business of the Year award, and a well-deserved winner, I think.
Okay, why did you win the award though?
I think because the company was structured correctly at the initial stages. A good business plan, the machinery was developed and bought to suit a certain niche market. Systems were put in place that we could operate the business successfully with.
Okay, so the first point there then is really about having the right systems in place, but you've got some great machines here you mentioned, so milling and turning.
Milling, turning, 5-axis machinery, obviously. We have our own fabrication and we have in-house designers when we require them. So we can cope with a lot of aspects to suit the customer's requirement.
Okay, another key point to your success then is investment, is that correct?
Investment has been very strong. Fortunately, Nick is very forward-thinking, and where he does see an opportunity, he is prepared to invest.
Okay, now it's not just about the machines though, you've got some great staff here, but also systems as well, is that right?
Yes, we do have some very good systems, ERP, MRP. This is really a quality management system. Therefore, we manage that business from start to finish, and it's fully traceable.
Okay, now that's all well, machines, systems, staff and everything like that, but you've got some great, well not only suppliers, but those suppliers are actually customers as well, is that right?
Yes, we do. We spend a lot of time developing customers, understanding their need, their problems, and where we can, we will do our best to take those problems away with good engineering solutions.
Now I don't want to name drop, but people like Renishaw, Safran for example?
Yes, indeed. They're probably some of our biggest customers, but we also have other people which we work on a first-tier basis with. That's mainly in sort of special purpose machinery.
Now, it's not just about manufacturing, it's like you mentioned, providing solutions, and I will name drop this one, you did some work from Apple recently.
Oh yes, a rather unique project, that one really. Apple had a particular problem, needed a design solution, manufacturer solution, and also to be finally installed on site. When that did take place, which was only 2 days before the store opened, they were highly delighted and had not seen a solution quite like it before.
Great work there. So it's not just about what you can produce, it's about the people you know as well, and building relationships and word of mouth?
I think word of mouth is always the best reputation you can have. If you can develop that sort of confidence and honesty between sort of customer and supplier, then at the end of the day that goes an awful long way. It's something I very, very firmly believe in.
Okay, Bob, so we've got a sort of view of where Ferrositi's been, where you are. It's a lot about investment, systems, people and relationships. Where are you going?
Well, we are constantly on the lookout for new avenues of business. Naturally, we will target avenues of business, some of which will support the machinery that we recently invested in. And thereafterwards, we're looking for a bigger factory, really.
I look forward to visiting you 5 years' time, bigger factory.
Excellent, thank you.